Hey, look at what's so great. That's called a broken torsion spring on my garage door. So today I'm going to show you how to measure it so you can order it. So if that interests you, stick around. I get to have a new adventure. Came home and the garage door torsion spring was broken. So isn't that wonderful? So they said to measure it, to take a tape measure, stretch it out. Well, we'll do it a different way. They said to count 20 coils and then measure it and divide by 20. So there's 1, 2, 3. So when I count 20, it comes out right a little bit shy of the 5-inch one. So it's like the back side of the 20th is like 4 and I think that's 15, 16. So I'm gonna call it 5. Count again, and then you divide the 20, the 5 by 20. So I think it'll be a 1/4 inch coil, but we'll see. Just a second. All right, here's how I calculated the dimension of the spring, the actual spring diameter. So the 20 turns equaled 5 inches. So then I divided 5 inch by 20. So if you do the math, that's 0.25. That's how I determined the dimension of each one of those coils, at least the thickness. So there you go. And then they said the bar is 1 inch exactly. So to measure the inner diameter of the spring, you push the spring all the way down and then measure from the bottom of the bar to the inside diameter of the bottom there. All right, as you can see, the center rod is all the way against the top. So I measured, and the inner diameter is adding 1 inch, I think. Can't really see that good since it's up here, but it looks like it's right at 1 inch. So we're gonna say 2 inches interior diameter. And then they said to measure from hub to hub and don't include those ends, and that'll get you the right dimension. So I'm going to measure those and then I'll know what size to order. So this side is 25 inches and the shorter side is 5 inches. So we got a 30-inch long 0.25 diameter spring with an inner dimension of 2 inches. And I think, I'm gonna go back and check, but I think the wind is left-handed because it'll thread on something, because you got this sticking up. So I think it's left hand, but I'm gonna look that up. So I showed you how to measure it, so we know what we got here. We got a 30-inch long with a 1/4 0.250 spring diameter with a 2-inch internal diameter. And so I think that's all I need. And so there's how you measure it. So when it comes in, I'll show you how to change it out. Thanks for watching.